Hey there everyone, so today I'm going to be showing you the 5 steps on how to get rid of reuse content or how to fix reuse content so you can get re-enabled for monetization. Alright, so step 1, you need to create original videos. Yes, that's right, original video just like I am doing right now, a video of you drawing, a video of you skateboarding, a video of anything as long as it's original content of something of yourself doing it. Number 2, make sure to don't copy anyone's video or repost any video on YouTube. That's right, you don't want to take somebody's video and just repost it and hope that you make money or whatever, even a song, whatever, because that's against the rules and that will not enable you for monetization. Number 3 would be common sense. Don't use any copywritten videos, audio, or visual logos or anything like that. Number 4, delete all videos that have a copyright strike, copyright notice, or even any video that says shared revenue, because that is going to basically flag as reused content and you're not going to be able to get monetized. So delete any of those videos. And number 5, the most important, if you're going to copy or recreate anybody's video or steal any clip or audio or anything, you're going to want to recreate it so it's a new video. And that's how PewDiePie and all these other YouTubers get away with it, because they actually take all these different clips and add it in so it's like a whole new video. They add themselves, so basically add yourself in the corner with a webcam or in between the video clips yourself talking like PewDiePie does, or even add like your voiceover or whatnot. The more you edit and play around and spice it up, the more it's better. But it's just better to stay away from that unless you're really good with it. But that's just basically the 5th rule to how to get enabled monetization and stay away from reuse content. So those are the 5 steps to fix reuse content and to get re-enabled for monetization. Try these steps, try to basically reapply for monetization, and let me know if this actually helps you. This is what I did and I got monetized. Let me know in the comments below if it works for you or if you still need help. I'll try my best to help you out. Like this video and please subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.